Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the assembly tutorial for the Jmmico Build and Paint Birdhouses kit. With the included materials, you can build 3 different birdhouse designs, A, B, and C. Let's assemble Model C. Our wood planks are numbered. Step 1. Locate planks 1 to 3. Connect plank 1 to the right of plank 2 and plank 3 to the left. The first step is complete. Step 2. Locate plank 4. Insert plank 4 into the front. Secure both sides. Step 2. Completed. Step 3. Locate plank 5. Insert the accessory 5 and push it upwards into the slot. Step 3. Completed. Step 4. Locate plank 6. Insert the accessory 6 and push it upwards into the slot. Step 4. Completed. Step 5. Cut a section of hemp rope. Pass the hemp rope through the holes in 5 and 6. Tie up the hemp rope. Step 5. Completed. Step 6. Locate plank 7, 8. Insert plank 7 into the middle of plank 8. Then connect it to the structure. Step 6. Completed. Step 7. Locate planks 9, 10. Slide plank 9 and 10 into the bottom slots to reinforce the base. Step 7. Completed. Step 8. Locate planks 11, 12. Insert planks 11 and 12 on each side. Locate plank 13 and hemp rope. Tie a hemp rope from plank 13 to the bottom hole. Step 8 completed. Take out the wind chime and silver thread. Cut a section of silver rope. Thread the silver rope through the wind chime, then through plank 13. Model C is complete.